I got this Dermaflash DERMAPORE, and I've never used one of these before. My favorite color is blue. The closest color was seafoam. So this is a DERMAPORE Dermaflash, and we are going to be trying this product today. It comes with the prep mist, and it comes with the Dermaskin Dermaflash. Hold here. Extract, infuse. This is what it looks like. It's the bottom. You charge it here on the side. It does come with a charger. Came with a charger. Came with the Dermaflash, and it comes with the Dermaflash spray. Mist generously over skin. So, how to use. Use 1 time a week until skin becomes accustomed, then use as often as desired. Use with the prep mist for maximum pore cleaning benefits. Skin must remain wet the entire time. Remist as needed to keep skin wet throughout your treatment. Press the power button once to activate extract mode. You will hear and feel a steady vibration. White light will not illuminate until spatula makes contact with wet skin. How to use. So you push up on your nose, you push out this way, in this way, in this way, up, up. Today we're going to use the extract mode because there's an infuse mode. So today we're going to do the extraction. So it says to just prep it with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little warm water on my face to open up my pores first. And then I'm going to put I'll put the Dermaflash on. Wet our face and then mist it and prep it for extraction. Even though y'all know I got good skin. Y'all know my skin's good. I don't need to do much, but we're gonna try this thing out and see what kind of gunk comes out of my skin. So we're gonna take our Dermapore Derma Prep Mist and spray it. Like so. And I have eyelashes. I have eyelashes on, so I'm really not worried about my eyes. My eyes are protected. Obviously close your eyes and be careful. And hopefully it came charged because I'm trusting that it came charged so we can get right into it. It's making the lights in my house go wonky. It's scary. Oh, now it's working. Maybe I was holding it too long in one spot. Yeah, I was holding it too long in one spot. Coming out, look. Oh my goodness, guys. This thing is actually amazing. This thing is amazing. Look at all that gunk coming out. Oh my God. Get right there on the forehead and show you, right? Let's get a close up. Let me show you. This thing is amazing. You need one. Look at all this stuff that comes out your skin. Ready? Ready? Just hold. Ready? Look at all that gunk. Literally extracting stuff from your skin. Ready? Extracting blackheads, oils, stuff that you can't normally get out yourself.